Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I believe everybody is fine by the grace of God. Due to COVID, we are unable to take offline classes. Meanwhile, just we have to start online classes only here. So within a few days, and we're all in the lap of our Shantiniketan Junior College. We should not feel worry about that one. So just I'm going to introduce you the second year syllabus. It is your second year book. It is your second year book. When we compare to first year and second year, it is entirely different. So let us see what about the lessons and what about the pattern here. We will discuss it now. Please listen carefully. So here also we have totally 5 modules. The first module is prose lesson, that is dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain, written by Ajim Premji. And the second one is I celebrate myself. And the third one is the boy who broke the bank. The first lesson is dancing in the rain, I celebrate myself, and third one is the boy who broke the bank. Next one. The second module is from prose, opportunities for youth, the magical earth, Parige. So here, opportunities for youth also one of the best inspiration stories of Jawaharlal Nehru. He is a man of vision, great thoughts. We are very proud of him. And second, the magical earth. Third, Parige. And third module is to serve with love. Third one. And next one is Polonius' advice to his son. And third short story is My Elder Brother. And fourth module is Polluting the World, Footprints on the Sand, The Awakening is the fourth module. And the fifth module is the sandbox, what kind of place, don't die, Hilton, don't die. These are your syllabus. These are all your syllabus. Totally we have 5 modules. And let us discuss the pattern of your model paper. Listen carefully. When we compare to first year and second year is entirely different, except section A. Section A is common from first year and second year. So B onwards somewhat changed. So here discuss syllabus model paper. First section A. Section A. Here also the first bit, 3 annotations. 3 annotations from prose. So out of 3 annotations, attempt 2, each one carries 4, 2 4 are 8. So no difference between first year and second year. And the second bit is 3 annotations. 3 annotations from poetry. 3 annotations from poetry. Out of 3 annotations, attempt 2, each one carries 4, 2 4 are 8. And third bit is 3 paragraph questions. 3 paragraph questions from prose. Here also we have a choice. 2 4 are 8 marks. Next, fourth bit. Fourth bit is 3 paragraph questions from poetry. 3 paragraph questions from poetry. So out of 3 questions, attempt 2, 4 marks, 2 4 are 8. And fifth bit, 3 paragraph questions. Paragraph questions from short stories. Short stories. Out of 3 short stories, just you have to write how many? 2. 2 4 ja 8 marks. So totally section A for 5 bits. So 5 8 ja 40 marks for section A. Section A for 40 marks. Next, let us start section B. Section B. Here, section B, first one, 6th bit is read the following passage. Read the following passage. Read the following passage. Here also, we have 6 questions. So, among 6 questions, attempt 4 1 are 4. So, one comprehension from your textbook means prose. And 7th one is general comprehension. General comprehension. Here also 6 questions. Attempt 4 marks. Next one, question number 8 is here. See, let us see here. Study the advertisement given below and answer any 4 questions given after it. Here, one of the advertisements may be given. So, all the particulars, all the information will be given through this advertisement. Just you have to study the given advertisement properly, and what about the questions, you have to study yourself and find out the answer. It is very easy and very simple. Here also we have a choice for advertisement 6 questions. Study the following advertisement. Study the following advertisement. So 6 questions, attempt only 4 1 are 4 marks. Next one, question number 9. Question number 9. The remaining part we will discuss next video. Question number 9. Read the pie chart. Read the pie chart or tree diagram or bar graph like this. Here, total particulars mentioned here in this box, in this pie chart. Clear information given through this pie chart. Just you have to study very carefully and read the questions properly, and you have to find out the correct meaning. Here also, read the pie chart. Read the pie chart or graph or tree diagram, whatever. Among 4, maybe only one given for us. So here also 6 questions. Out of 6 questions, attempt only 4 1 are 4 marks. Now section B completed. Let us count the marks for section B. Section B for we have 4 8 12 16. 16 marks for section B. 16 marks for section B. Yes. Now let us start section C. Section A completed, section B completed, section A for 40 marks, section B for 16 marks. Totally 56 marks are completed, section A and B. Now let us discuss section C. Section C. So it is read the following passage, sentences using 8 of the punctuational marks. Punctuations. Do you know punctuations? Where we have to use capital letters, where we have to use full stops, where we have to use exclamatory mark. It is called as punctuational marks. So one of the paragraphs given to you, and you have to find out where we have to use capital letters, where we have to use small letters, where we have to use question mark, all you have to find yourself. So here also we have 4 marks. Punctuations. Punctuations. So 10. Among 10, at least you have to attempt 8, 4 marks. But each and every bit we have a choice. It's very good for us. Next, 11th bit is match the following. Match the following. So according to your textbook, you have to read glossary very carefully. Here the matching, 6 matches will be given to you. Just you have to attempt only 4 marks. 4 ones are 4 marks. So next, question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 here. Use any 4 of the following idioms, phrases in sentences of your own. Phrases, at the same time, idioms. Idioms is entirely different, the meaning and the word is entirely different. Example, recently my grandfather kicked the bucket. So generally, what is the meaning of kicked the bucket? So whatever you are thinking, that is wrong. Kicked the bucket means passed away, died. So this type of idioms will be given. Again, one more example to you, acid test. Acid test means generally the meaning is, and when you compare these words, according to this word meaning, it is entirely different. That means acid test means important exam. So the meaning, the word is entirely different. So we have to read the meaning very carefully. Here also we have phrases and idioms. Totally 6 questions are given. Idioms. Idioms are phrases. Totally we have 6. Out of 6, attempt only 4. 4 ones are 4 marks. And question number 13. Question number 13. Here, make 4 meaningful sentences from the verb pattern given below. Verb pattern. Verb pattern. Verb pattern means like this: subject plus verb plus object. Like this given in the examination. Only one example will be given to you. For example, I played cricket. Like this example given in the examination. So just you have to read the line, just you have to study the structure, and you have to create some more examples yourself. So that is a verb pattern. Just 4 marks. 4. You have to attempt only 4. 4 ones are 4 marks. That is verb pattern. Next, question number 14. Very simple, very easiest one it is. It is a form filling, either SBI or SBH or any form will be given to you. Just he has given us some blanks. Just to study the information and you have to mention the numbers. You have to fill the form. Very simple, very easy it is. So form filling. Form filling for how many marks you know? Just 4 marks. Next, question number 15. Question number 15. Here, curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. So it is a new word. New word it is. Curriculum vitae means nothing but after completion of your education, you would like to do any job in any reputed companies, just you have to submit your resume or your biodata form. So through these advertisement, just we have to prepare our curriculum vitae. Okay. So this contain how many marks? 4 marks again. 4 marks. So next 16th bit is describing process. describing process. How to make coffee, how to make tea. So just you have to describe your own thoughts, your own words. So this bit contain how many marks? 4 marks again. 4 marks. Next, question number 17 is letter writing. Question number 17, letter writing. So personal and official, two letters will be given. Between these two letters you have to attempt only one letter. So this contains 4 marks again. Letter writing for 4 marks. And after, question number 18 is okay. The remaining part we will discuss in next class.